Hey guys, welcome back again to Boomsy Sports and welcome back to another market vlog. If you're just coming across my channel for the first time, you are welcome. I am heading to Lagos Idumota Market, and yeah, I'm going to do my monthly grocery shopping as I usually do it, to just stock up the house for a month. Thank you guys so much for all the love you show me on this video. Bumsy is not looking her best because a lot is happening right now. It took me a lot to put this voice notes together, and you can tell, like, from my countenance and from my face, that I'm not looking good. But we are overcomers and we'll overcome. Yeah, I'm already in the market at this point, and I'm heading into the UBA car park so that I can collect tickets and park. But one thing I've noticed from coming to this market in the past 3 months is that there's usually no parking space anymore. The market is becoming really busier and fuller. We couldn't find anywhere to park, but yeah, we're in the market now. Hey guys, welcome to another market vlog. Good morning. Boomsy is not such in a high spirit, but I have to do this market. And yeah, I have a couple of things to buy, most especially cleaning items and just a little bit of my children's food supplies have reduced, so that's part of things I'm gonna buy in the market today. But anyways, I'm here with Chacha Baby. Chacha Baby had to drive. You guys will be like, this is not my Boomsy. Yeah, Boomsy is not in a high spirit at all, but in subsequent videos to come you get to find out why. So yeah, let's go into the market and shop. Market is full, so there is nowhere to even park. We have to park under the bridge that we know we're going to pay another money, regardless of the car park money we pay. So let's just go into the market and start shopping. Hey guys, the market today is so rowdy. And I keep saying this, I don't know if the market is rowdy in October. I wonder how, what they call it, how it's going to be by Sha wants to drop the king. She's the one that drove today. If the market is rowdy now, so I wonder what it's going to be in November, December. Anyways, my last shopping ends in this market in November. I'm not gonna be here in December because pickpockets will even start as well, so I'm not going to be here for that. We are packed now and we are heading into the market to start shopping. You guys, my boo-boo man has been complaining that I'm not advertising his business as much as I'm advertising Wasiu and the rest of them. That Wasiu keeps telling him how he's getting a lot of businesses and people always hail him like Wasiu. Because Wasiu, you always see Wasiu they don't get at the entrance. Like once you park at UBA car park, you always see Wasiu there. So you guys, please, this is my boo-boo man. My friend, where up, bros? So you would always find him at the entrance when you're coming out of the car park. But yeah, you guys, stopped to buy plantain for my plantain lady, and she was telling me that this plantain, she was going to sell it to me for 9,000. I was like, because plantain has come down now, but she has one of the freshest granules ever. Like, I literally brought like 3 bottles of this granite. And one thing with her is that I love people that have the heart of giving. If I ever buy plantain from her and I tell her I'm hungry, she will package bole and granite for me and tell me to carry it, like, without paying any dime. So I just like people that, regardless of your situation, like, you are still moved to always do good. But this is me just paying, and this is her just, giving me the plantain that she dashed me, and the granite as well. At this point, me and Chacha Baby were just walking to Orin Market. Yes, that is where, in fact, I call it everywhere. Lagos Idumota Market. There is Balogun in this market where you can shop for clothes. I'm walking to meet my love, my Alaboro woman. You guys know I've been using her for years. But this is her, my Alaboro woman, my love. In fact, because of me, a lot of my friends have already started using her. But it's time to start shopping. My love usually waits for me at this junction, like anytime I'm coming to shop in the market. And this lady that sells braided wig is always like, why are you always with your phone? If you do video, promote me, oh. But yeah, this is like at the entrance of Orin Market. But anyways, it's time to start walking into the market to start shopping for each of my items. But as I was walking into the market, you guys, I sighted grapes, and that is one thing Kaima had asked that I buy for her. So I had to stop and negotiate with the guy.
Grapes, how you dey sell? How much last this one? 4,000. Don't give me 3,500. I want one.
Onions is out, potatoes are out soon, so it's time for you guys to buy. I stopped by this abuke because I wanted red onions. I didn't want white onions, they spoil faster. But red onions, rather purple onions, as the chefs usually call it, purple onions, they stay a lot better, like a lot longer, especially the dried ones. But yeah, I bought 2 custard paints of it, and I also bought potatoes as well. It was also a good deal, but you guys know that how we do it now. When we get into the house after I'm done shopping, I will do proper unboxing for you guys. But yeah, you guys, I saw lemongrass and I wanted it. You guys know I'm on a weight loss journey, and you know I'm also looking for slimmer waist as well. So someone told me to buy some lemongrass that, apart from even weight loss and all, it helps, you know, with healing and all. And I know that this is something that I have been privy to, like it cures malaria and all. So I've been coming across it a lot. Like people have been using it like to cure cold, catarrh, like different sicknesses and all. And it's not even something that I don't have information about like previously, because I used to see my dad, like growing up, if he has malaria and all of these things, he would just boil it, drink it, and he will start sweating and he'll be fine. And I'm like, how did we suddenly like just turn blank eye from our herbs that have been in existence since, and it has been working for our forefathers and generations to come? Because I cannot tell you how much discovering about miracle leaf has really tremendously helped me. I can't even emphasize on it. But yeah, you guys, after done here, I went to buy provisions for my provision lady. But I did not meet my friend. I met her mom, and this is the second time I'm going to the shop and she's not there. They said she has gone to school, and I'm like, oh my god. One thing is that I never really gave her my number.
This is like the second time I'm coming to my customer's shop and she's not around. They say she has traveled for school. Aww. They say she's traveled for school. But yeah, I want to just buy the quick things that I need to buy before I start heading out of here.
At this point, I am done shopping with them. So like I told you guys, I usually like my things from inside the carton. I don't like them bringing out things from display and putting it into my carton. But after then, I went to buy, you know, biscuits from the lady that is just opposite her. This is where I usually buy like the Costa biscuits from and all. I felt like my family, we've eaten fab, and we're just done with the sugar for this point in time. Like, I'm not interested in sugar at this point in time because I've stayed away from soda for a while, so I'm on a journey. But yeah, you guys, I'm just heading into the market and I stopped by my lady I usually buy Ribena from. This is the person that doesn't have any rebagged Ribena in the market, so I just buy from her because, you know, I'm giving these things to my little kids. But I'm walking to my lady that sells provision, and she was so happy to see me. She was so happy to see me. Aww.
I'm fine. That's funny. Welcome, me. Hey, my darling. Hey, my sweet. Oh, yeah, come on here. You know that one you can go around me. I'm going to go around. Yeah, indeed. My children come. Indeed.
So this is my lady I buy all my cleaning items, and we just went straight into purchase because I was not even in the mood. But yeah, you guys, I was just walking back to my other lady where I buy my spices from, so that I can just start packing the oil, the spices, everything that I need to buy. So this is the lady where I buy my spices from. You guys will know by now. Raise your hand in the comment section if you have started using Sarah tin tomatoes. Have you started using Sarah tin tomatoes? raise your hand in the comment section. But yeah, I'm just gathering all the spices. You guys, I'm going to be trying Kitchen Glory for the first time. Someone told me that it is a very good spice, so I'm going to be trying it for the very first time, and I'm going to tell you guys my feedback. But yeah, I stopped to buy Johnson & Johnson soap and heading into the back to the car because I'm done shopping here, and I saw Wasiu.
How much was it?
Wasiu, just cut
This
them.
one, no, this
No be today, just cut
this
them.
one is 75,000.
Wasiu, cut them.
This one, shower by one.
Wasiu,
It's at the
cut
same
them. Cut them.
I tell you, here, as they see me,
Wasiu, just cut them. Send them.
When I said I'll call you. I bet that means the pass was 5,000.
Wasiu, bye-bye.
See this one, now 15 now.
Wasiu, bye-bye.
You know that's what I showed you.
Wasiu, bye-bye.
Now 6 I put.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Now sometimes to send you.
Yeah, bye-bye.
I will call you now. Let's see as I fish.
If I like, let blood be coming out of my eyes. Wasiu used to stress me. But anyways, I am back home here. But one thing is that he showed me so much care. Like, he kept calling me. He's still even calling me till now just to check up on me, to know that I am fine. Even a lot of my customers in the market, like, they just kept checking up on me. But I'm back. I'm arranging things, and let's go into unboxing. Johnson & Johnson soap, 4,000 naira. A dozen of F2 tablet soap is 3,000 naira. The small size Viva Nylon, 2,200. The big size is 1,200 each. Viva Girl Forever, you guys know. Viva detergent is 1,400. Swiss air freshener is 1,200. I got about 4. Mama Lemon 1,800. Mosquito spray 2,000. Hypo was 2,000, and I got about 4 as well. Vim was 1,500 naira. Win toilet cleaner comes in 3 and is 8,300 naira. Dano milk sachet roll was 1,400 naira. Cocoa Puffs 1,400 per roll. Quaker Oats was 2,500 naira. This yogurt was 3,500 naira. You guys pick 1, 2, 3 was 4,000 naira. Banga paste 3,500. Golden penny 1,000 naira. Bama 3,500 naira for the big size. Nutribomb 1,200 naira. I love this granite, and it was going for 3,000 naira for a bottle. It is brown just the way I like it, like almost burnt. Our new favorite biscuit is Costa biscuit, and a carton was 4,500 naira. Ribena was going for 3,800 naira. You guys, sweet potato, a custard paint was 3,500 naira, and I bought 2. Irish potato was going for 5,000 naira for a custard paint. Gino sachet roll 700 naira. Kitchen Glory, because I told you I was going to be trying it for the first time, 900 naira for this sachet. My chicken powder spice was 1,500 naira. No cube, no beef was 1,800 naira. Spicy City was 700 naira each, and I bought a couple of them. Oil was going Golden Terra oil 3,800 naira. You guys, Sarah tin tomatoes 800 naira. Let me know if you've started using it in the comment section. Just let me know. Write that you started using it and tell me what difference it makes in your jollof and stew. I bought these grapes for Kaima, 4,000 naira, because she loves grapes. Corn flour was 1,000 naira. A custard paint of brown beans was 7,000 naira. All the vegetables you can see on this table was 7,000 naira. Panla fish was big size, and all you can see here is 6,000 naira. You guys, lemongrass, I told you guys when I was buying it earlier that I want to use it for a lot of benefits that it will give to my body, but it was 500 naira each. This bunch of plantain was 8,000 naira. Yes, I know. All the shaki pomo that you can see here is 5,000 naira. So, down to the beef. All the beef that you can see here, come into the bowl. All the beef that you can see here, 48,000 naira. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next market vlog. Bye for now. Total spend was 393,000 naira. I'll see you guys in my next one.